If you want me to react to your favorite artist, band, music video, or whatever, just leave a request in the comments below the video. And don't forget to like. So today I relocated. It's my cat's chair. I just want to be comfortable sitting here. I've been absent because I got sick. My throat hurts a lot still. I thought I would be able to make a lot of videos while I'm sick. It didn't happen. I'm still sick. My throat looks like I ate an atomic bomb, and I may sound weird. Another thing, I decided to put it in my video. There is a page on Instagram that I've been following for quite a while. It is a page of a small animal shelter. The woman who owns this place, she also lives there, and a few days ago this place was set on fire. Police still investigate who did it, because neighbors said they saw a foreign car in their neighborhood and they saw a stranger near that place, so someone set their house on fire on purpose. Like, in general, I make some small donations, but because I was sick, I spent a lot of money on my treatment, so this time I can't support them financially. So if you want, you can donate them. I'll put all the information in the comments below. Link for an Instagram page and PayPal information. So I thought if I can't now support them, I may ask you. I hope you don't mind. And in general, support shelters. Sometimes it's great help. What is gonna earn me more views? So at least some people would see the introduction. So let's go with ashes from fireworks. Let's watch. It's very loud audience, which is nice actually. But once I read that it's filmed separately, the performance and the audience reaction. Oh, it's still Come sing with me. I should have guessed. They're singing together, but oh, now I hear it. Nice, nice harmony. This guy has wonderful voice, very nice, very pleasant, and they sound really cool together. perfect. Like, wow. It's one of the best duos that I've seen by now, that I've reacted to by now. Okay, that's all. That was fast. I expected something more because it was correct. Their voices matched perfectly. One of the perfect matches that I've heard. The one thing I didn't like is how it was filmed. I wanted to see more communication between singers. That's the point of the duo. Not only to sound good, but also there should be something between singers. Their voices showed this chemistry, but the camera didn't. It was too focused on them as individuals that a little bit ruins this duo energy, this duo vibe. The tone of their voices is pretty close, at the same time little details, let's put it like this, because I forgot the word. Some details of their voices are different. I have no idea what the name of another guy is. His voice is more gentle, more soft. Hua Chenyu has more powerful. At the same time, he has a wider voice range. But they found this the most beautiful golden middle. They found this harmony. That is great, because sometimes when you combine soft and gentle voice with more powerful, usually this powerful voice is gonna kinda shut down more soft one. That's often what doesn't let me fully enjoy the performance. Because what I want to hear when I listen to a duo, this connection, this interaction, this communication between those two voices. And when I don't get it, I'm disappointed. In this case, I've heard what I wanted to. It even gave me this shivering feeling, those goosebumps, which in my case, the most obvious sign that I love this song. Not maybe a song, maybe it's just a performance. Speaking about the lyrics, I like it. I guess when we talk about Hua Chenyu, I almost always love how he uses metaphors to express what he thinks, his thoughts and his views. Like in general, the ashes from fireworks. This pretty strong metaphor, and even without knowing the lyrics, you kinda can imagine what this song is gonna be about, but there's always something more. I guess it's not the full version of this song. There should be more interesting parts that I would like to listen, maybe just on my own later. The staging was pretty simple. Of course, I liked the floor. I'm not sure if it's visible for people in this room or only for TV audience, but it was very hypnotizing. And then when the background changed, those people kind of singing this song along with the singers, it was also nice. It was very surprising, and for any reason, I don't know why, it made me feel really satisfied. I really enjoyed this. But when we talk about the singers, it was pretty simple. Just them singing. But again, I want to repeat, the filming wasn't that correct. It didn't show this conversation between singers. Maybe there were some details that are interesting, but we didn't see it because cameraman decided to concentrate more on individuals than the duo. So anyway, thank you for commending me this performance. And of course, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. In this case, Kate.